For people who don't know, where are we, Ethan?
On the lake.
And what are we doing?
Skiing.
Billy! Finn! Hi! Hi, Ethan! Bonjour! Here we are at the island. Oh, I got the whole lake. And everybody is skating on the lake today. Who's that coming out to join us? Who's that? Who's that, Ethan? Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Amazing, eh?
I know, Mommy's got some cool footage of the whole lake.